we go. Left the blade is center of the track. Not even touching nothing. All on auto. Oop, getting off course.